Hey look, I just got one question to ask. Anybody, if you know my answer, just please let me know. Know what I mean? Where can I find a bird? It can't be in Virginia. Come on! Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Don't think they sell them in Virginia. Where the birds at? Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Don't think they sell them in Virginia. Where the birds at? Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Don't think they sell them in Virginia. Where the birds at?
Man, where your man's at, man?
Man, yeah, no, you need to hit that nigga phone back.
Man, just chill out, man. Just chill, man. Fuck, man. Where the fuck you at, man? Oh.
Come right there, get the door, nigga.
God damn, my nigga. You got to work, man.
You been waiting on that monkey shit all day, motherfucker?
Yo, what the fuck you think this is, nigga? Fucking cake mix? I ain't got no fucking license for that shit.
Fuck all that bullshit. Let's see what this shit about. Yeah. Just let me know that time and place and I can learn about 36 O's. If I get it, ain't no turning back. I'm jiggling like I'm burning back, selling plenty work, so you know a nigga riding strap. You see that dope, man? Bring that nigga to the trap. I'm trying to get a deal, motherfucker. I ain't talking around. I'm riding around with my bitch and all. Water like Niagara Falls, zones like basketball. I front you work, bitch, you better get that package off. All my niggas coming for that ass like a package off. A young nigga getting money and he stack it tall. Call me baby ball, how kush, oh, pass it out. I'm so high up in this bitch, I probably laugh it off. Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack, bricks nigga standing tall. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Don't think they sell them in Virginia. Where the birds at? Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Oh, Shucky Ducky, Quack, Quack. Don't think they sell them in Virginia. Where the birds at?
That's your mother flower?
I'm bored now.
I'm a shorty recruiting aiming for the medulla. Double action the Ruger. What better way can I say it? I am the medulla. Nigga, can you smell me? What the fuck you gon' tell me?
Big fellas, other than a meal, nigga, life could get better. Cop with the crasher, but 60 dashes. I'm fucked up, already platinum. I'm always on my things, close compliments of food, a couple hundreds for the trees. Chain so close to my heart, it might freeze. With some kids, with some shit, nigga, tell me what you think. Look, I'm an 88er, I'm in the heavyweight. These small money making niggas in the petty paper. I got dough to blow, go toe to toe, go whip the whips, nigga. I got dough to show, dope on the low, man's at a steady growth. Grab a few pounds and up the dope, nigga. Adios, gotta go, same clothes in the neighborhood. Small pieces of cane, that's where that all cutting close.
Killing on the top five, wanna go, hands in the air, like a high five. I'm gonna rock the beatbox, you see the right eye. You can call me the right side. We don't play rough, we start talking shot. We don't finish cool, but we know how to do your dollar. We chop it up and bag, just the niggas on the concert. Sell serving horses, and this niggas is a gig swap. The flow nasty like bitches on the same top. It's like brains on the girl, leave the tongue on the rails. B-I-C-C-A, I never been that. I'm with that metal shot, rolling like a double stack. We got first ready down, and we double that. You like a pump of crack, nigga, I don't fuck with that. I got my hustle gas right, since I learned to rap. I learned to take the phone, he's like a thermostat. And leave the girl with more holes in the thermostat. I put my bitches under rules, nigga, learn that. You went wrong, I got her off like the thermostat. Why double that shit? You gotta know what nigga best. You think it's baby sick, look like shit retarded. Yeah, dog, motherfucker, you can die retarded. Got $1 million plan to get you up across it. I had you saying for that jump like a bitch of boss. Niggas sleeping on the roof like the Christmas garden. Better off playing chicken with some chicken horses. We shot the riding every town, that's a different force. So you keep yourself together, you a different song. Meanwhile, I'm out the hood, up in different forces. I have a crack, 3 stacks in the different forces. Mailman running up a motherfucking forces. God showed the boss slow, I'm a different portion. And when that pistol gets poppin', nigga, you the noise. Don't be going being slayed like a piece of sword. Better give him the sword, but he gets recorded. He headed to that graveyard, nigga, beat the coffin.
God damn, that shit sound like some shit. I'm in the nice game with D-Up, still drinking D-Up. I need a vacation, control with my feet up. 22 inches, watch the chrome to the street up. Copper with cash, y'all laughing when you lease up. Bitch named Lisa, you keep the bitch leased up. Make more money, so she say she wanna bring up. Oh, God. You played out like rose gold. Listen here, I'm a true dog. Anything you spit, straight ass like a roof song. Military shit, nigga with the boots on. These are her rappers, not the big 4 coupon. Hating on the block, one shot. Nigga think his face is fucking down, down. Show his ass in the crystal lake. Now the nigga spin this, nigga don't forget this. I need teeth on the nigga eyes on some flip shit. School motherfucker up, yeah, I'm on some flip shit. Bragging about bread with his cash bill, shit. I need money and nigga, I'ma take the order. I got that water moving fast, I can make a poster. Niggas talking like a damn high thank you this. Eyes lower than the damn bumper on the Lincoln whip. Nigga, that 45 man in the field back. He said, young Tay, why you guys leaning back? I tell him, chill, motherfucker, just go with that. I'm like a broken heart, nigga, my knees are back. And mama tell me, fuck them hoes, they forever waiting. Just get your ass to school, boy, get your education. I'm on some shit, mom. They on my shit, mom. You smell it in the air. I'm the shit, mom.
Yo, 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 what's up? This your boy Zico. I'm here with my man Schemes and Flawless Films. We here at the lab chilling. My man Real, my man Young Tay. We here doing it big, you know what I'm saying? About to bang out for y'all, let y'all see how we do down here in VA 757, Tidewater, you know what I'm saying? Chesapeake, P-Town. The whole
right
757, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm
We in
saying?
this bitch, nigga. Late night studio,
All
nigga.
day, this is what
All
we do
day,
right
every
here.
day, nigga. This life,
You know what
what
I'm
it
saying?
is.
We'll bang out for y'all, let y'all hear them VIP tracks, and my nigga Real gonna get off my nigga Young Tay, gonna let y'all hear how they murder these shits. You know what I'm saying? It's already a perfect marriage, you know what I'm saying? So, about to let y'all see what it is, so check this shit out, you know what I mean?
Drove, bitch I ain't hit. Hoes acting like niggas, niggas acting like they bitch. They looking like Raja Bam, started my Renage. Like sons, they admire my swag. I'm baby, they Wayne, they should call me they dad. One nigga, 5 whips, copped all of them cash. No leasing, I'm trying to match the color with the season. Inside mustard, outside Polynesian.
Linen when it's hot, meat coats when it's freezing. Chain on my chest make a nigga feel anemic. Man, it's the life I chose. Make me feel a lot better when the stack ain't full.
Come and get me, motherfucker, ain't hard to find. I walk around with a bird, call me Charlie Brown. Hey, nigga, I balance shit, I hold him down. He dead like a cell phone, nigga, calm me down. I'm feeling myself, my swag keep a nigga shot and kill the block and probably take your bitch up with your silver watch. But when it comes to this host, I got the finest with me. Say, why you fuck my old lady, nigga, mind your business. I got a witness, cause your hoe is getting really scary. She keep a nigga in the mouth like vocabulary. How many niggas you with? Shit, a clip full. Just blame the hood and sit me on like a big bull. You little niggas straight dogs like a shit zoo. Or something you don't wanna see like a shit zoo. I used to let her rap, nigga, so I skip school. You hit the booth and go and spit like a lip screw. I ride through the crew, nigga screaming what it do. I'm old school motherfucker like the Fugees group. The only nigga you knew, nigga, from Fugees suit. I'm outside serving fast, nigga, who knows? Straight O's, and who knows? I probably got a bitch up on the floor when I flow. No show. Like a nigga, I ain't getting paid. I take his whole head out like he making braids. Cut the nigga head out like I'm making fades. Jailhouse barnyard, bitch, I'm making trades. Hey, look, niggas want problems, I'ma give them problems. Wake them up to Christmas to give rap hollows. I'm tired of being fucked up, I need some real dollars. Killing niggas dead for the beef and my wobble. Since the summertime hit, shit got hotter. But when it gets colder, put the heat in my chopper. That's the 80 nigga, got beef with my partner. We leave him in the hole like he's cleaning out lockers. All these fake rap niggas need to be honest. Quarter brick, half a brick, never seen nothing. Baby mama chasing lemon dreads like a roster. She go to sleep with me on the head like a body. Niggas like, damn, take it, do you got hobbies? I love fucking bitches and pumping non-cardi. Taking all your bluff while you pumping that garbage. When I finish with it, I'ma take a pop flopping. Give it to the bowl head, put it in the swimming class. Now I got the whole block jumping like gym class. You ain't home to move quick, put it in the book bag. Put it on the head, motherfucker, like a slim bag. Why double that? Bitch, you can get the business. Flipping on you niggas like a motherfucking gymnast. Hot ass flow, can't no nigga get within this. I burn him, I torch him, careers I was in, bitch. And AKA quick, never caught a body. Had a lot of drugs, but I never ever tried it. Now nowadays I be flipping like a sidekick. So I smoke weed till my motherfucking eyes split. But I still be on some flash shit. Higher than a motherfucker, you can be my pilot. Gossip, phone thug, don't try it. The Texas is gonna end up in diamonds. Yeah, that's far away in the island. Deep in that water where somebody can't find him. My definition of grinding, my neck, my wrist, my head, damn, I'm dying.
Told you in the hallway, once you get your chest down, nigga fuck a bust down, smoke the whole crest down. First nigga Youngwood, better yet Carlos. Never did a track with you nigga, could you gobble?
And look, I wake up, take a shower, hit the best roll, then go outside the floor, bogey to my chest on. My girl tripping, where you going? What you dress for? I was sell drugs, who the fuck you getting dressed for? That bitch tripping, man, that money keep me motivated. And I ain't stopping till I'm hopping, oh, they go Mercedes. With plenty money and a pistol, hope the Lord is saving. I got the bitches going crazy like 40 babies. Shit's hard on that block I'm from, and only broke niggas sleep on that block I'm from. We get money all day, so that product drank. And drink later all night and smoke knockout blunt. Meanwhile, for that bitch, keep that block out front. We used to fuck niggas up and try and knock out front.
You the neighborhood movie, you should probably do me. See me in the hood, no dap, just salute me. I remember days I was hustling the hoop. Now I'm in the Beamer making slugs, smoking losers. Mama used to ask, why you dress like thugs? Why you always look man? Why you smell like drugs? I responded like, Mom, it's in my blood. Cause I never knew a thug that could dress this good. I'm just living for the moment, nigga. Motherfucker, next day, ride with me. Oh my God, I can't remember nothing.
Flawless Films, my nigga Scheme, you know what I'm saying? My nigga Real, my nigga Young Tay. Contact, y'all can hit me on the cell, straight like that, real talk, real nigga shit. 757-692-2621. You also hit me on the MySpace at /Isaiah VIPs. You know what I'm saying? You can hit me on the Facebook, Zico VIPs. You know what I'm saying? / all that shit. Y'all know how to do it. And y'all get at us. You know what I'm saying? We gonna make this shit happen. Show y'all a little more of my nigga Schemes and Flawless Films. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Young Tay. 757, baby.
The day was hard as a motherfucker. Fucking with Scheme. He got it right though.
That's how it go.
Tired as a motherfucker.
Yeah.
He worked me. It's alright.
You gotta grind to get to the top. This shit ain't easy. You know what I'm saying?
Early May. I'm gonna say May, June. CD dropping with DVD. You know what I mean? They going for £1. You ain't got $5, I don't want you to listen to my shit anyway.
You got to cop that door, you know what I mean? It's a good investment, real shit.
Rello, he came down from Richmond, showed niggas some love.
Yeah.
Regular.
VA in the building, man.
You know what I mean?
I'm regular.
Two early
though.
My nigga, it's your boy Regular Rail from the first day, man. Came all the way down from Richmond, man. Got it in with my nigga Young Tay, man. Niggas out there, man, to show love on Henderson. It was regular, it was dumb light, you know what I mean? Niggas kept it 1,000.
White double S, nigga, you already know.
VIPs, baby, Young Tay.
Certified flat records.
I need you niggas to turn your volume up. Bring the lights down real low. I'ma bring you into my life. That shit was stupid.
Crazy nigga tried to jerk me. You know what I'm saying? He trying to get you shit behind me. Fucking get the cans. Dice game. Nigga ain't got his hustle game right. Good. Done.
Get them Dutch guys.
You keep the chain, we don't even want it.
Yeah. It's Young Tay, baby. White double S, you bitch, nigga. You already know what it is. I get my hustle game right. My money get low. My night get bigger. Every time I'm on the phone, hold on. Little bitch, get off my phone. I get dope. I be lying to them hoes, but it's rarely that I will. Hop about the IL, she looking like the Skyfam. Bitches know what they doing, they move you in to pay bills. I ain't dumb enough to pack my shit and go and stay there. I be kicking game every time that I meet a chick. Use the same line every time that I meet a bitch. I know you sucked dick before, you ain't gotta lie to me. Watch your mouth, boy, shit, that's my personality. Sense of humor, bagging up drugs with the rat on me. Niggas rats, I'ma catch a charge like batteries. You gon' get cute like Nas trying to battle me. Backyard in the garage, right where the ladder be. Ask questions in bed, we sleeping up and fucking. When I'm in that pussy, girl, I get deeper than the bucket. Number one rule, never speak when we in public. On my time, you try to hold me up like crack. I get my hustle game right, my money get low. My night get bigger, every time I'm on the phone, hold on. Little bitch, get off my phone. I get dope. I got my hustle game right, my money get low. My night get bigger, every time I'm on the phone, hold on. Little bitch, get off my phone. I get dope. Hey look, they say money take time, shit is kinda funny. I cop the watch, so my time take a lot of money. The fiends itching on the block, I got a lot of dummies. They swarming like bees, shit, I got a lot of honey. The last nigga that I fronted, he ain't have my money. I made him suffer for the shit like his mama done it. And some fiends, they ain't got it, so they hustle for cash. Cracking the glass and split it like the back of an ass. Everybody got that we up dreams. He said G'd up, it's re-up, some antique jeans. And the fiends caught white, then they hit it like McGuire. Best against want that cocaine, I got that fire. When we at